All right, take a look at example 1. This is an example that walks you through how to do to apply solving a system of an equation. It gives you more and more information throughout the example on slide 3. So let's go through this together. So at first, we're just kind of getting the information. So it says, suppose that burgers cost $2 each and hot dogs cost $1.50 each. The amount of money you spend on burgers and dogs depends on how many of each you buy. So the first thing that I did was I defined my variables and I went ahead and put them in terms of X and Y because we're familiar with that from solving system of equations. We used the graphing method, we used substitution method, and we used elimination method. And you can use any of the 3 methods to solve our applications of system of equations. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let X equal burgers and Y equal hot dogs. Okay? So then from there, it tells us that for each hot dog sold, we're going to charge each customer $2. So we can define that by 2 times X. So if I sell 1 burger, it's $2. 2 burgers, it'll be 4, $3, $6, and so forth. And then for hot dogs, it's $1.50 times Y. So if I sell 1 hot dog, it's $1.50, 2 hot dogs, $3, and so forth. Now, let's pretend we have collected $14.50. So we are going to add these 2 together, and that'll be our total. Now, right now, we don't have enough information to solve anything, so let's go ahead and get some more information. All right, so if we want to figure out the total number of burgers and dogs sold, we would need to add a second equation. Well, let's think of that. If I told you at a concession stand, we sold a total of 8 burgers and dogs. So now we can write an equation. So if I know that the burgers and hot dogs totaled up to 8. So now I can determine which of the 3 methods over here I want to use to solve this system of equation. And obviously I would choose graphing. But for this demonstration, I think I will choose the elimination method. So I'm going to end up multiplying this whole equation by -2. And I'm just going to write this above. So I'm going to have -2x minus 2y equals -16. Okay, so let's go ahead and eliminate. We can eliminate our x's. So now I'm going to get a -0.5y equals -$1.50. And so, or 150. So, and y is going to equal 3. So we sold 3 hot dogs. And now I'm going to go back to that original, more simple equation of x plus y equals 8. And so there, I just plug y, 3 into y, And so x plus 3 equals 8, minus 3. So x will equal 5. So our answer will be 5 burgers and 3 hot dogs.